Welcome to this video on SAP Business One for Factory Management, presented by Kabeer Consulting Group. We will explore how to overcome manufacturing bottlenecks and fragmented data to achieve a synchronized, efficient production flow.
Is your shop floor experiencing chaos? Reactive feedback loops caused by missing materials, shifting priorities, idle machines, and financial blind spots create a cycle of guesswork. Disconnected systems force your business to wait for a crisis before taking action. The core issue isn't production, it is visibility. Manual tools create isolated data islands. SAP Business One solves this by acting as a single real-time data spine, connecting every operational node into one cohesive, connected system. Factories outgrow manual accounting tools when they struggle with rush orders, inaccurate inventory, and unpredictable costing. SAP B1 replaces guesswork with automated planning, live multi-warehouse visibility, and real-time variance tracking.
Manage complex products with smarter bill of materials. SAP B1 supports multi-level BOMs, engineering change management, and visual routing, ensuring production always runs on the correct specifications and eliminating material mismatches.
Achieve real-time production planning and scheduling. With automated MRP, finite capacity scheduling, and visual Gantt tracking, you can conduct what-if simulations to minimize idle time and ensure on-time performance.
Take control with live inventory and warehouse management. Gain bin-level visibility, track batches and serial numbers, and automate leveling to ensure that what the system reports is exactly what is on the shelf.
Ensure end-to-end traceability and quality control. Link purchasing, production, and sales with a golden thread of data. Trace defects in seconds and maintain compliance with industry standards like ISO and FDA automatically. Capture quiet losses with accurate production costing. By tracking material variances, labor inefficiencies, and overhead in real time, you know exactly which jobs are profitable and eliminate end-of-month margin surprises. Managing external processing and subcontracting is seamless. Track shipments, receipts, and costs associated with outsourced operations directly within the data spine, ensuring outsourced production remains as visible as in-house work. See the connected ecosystem in action. A single new customer order can trigger BOM locks, MRP checks, inventory allocation, production scheduling, and cost logging, providing true operational control through simultaneous visibility. The measurable impact on your factory is significant, from faster deliveries and lower material costs to reduced waste and audit readiness. Manufacturers often see ROI within the first year by reclaiming control. Implementation quality decides everything. As a global SAP partner, Kabeer Consulting Group specializes in configuring SAP Business One around your specific production constraints to guarantee adoption and real-world results. Reclaim real-time control of your shop floor today. Contact Kabeer Consulting Group for a free, no-obligation factory management assessment to identify exactly where you are losing time and how to recover it.